Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be sinning for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name turn to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name turn to soil, and I grew up.
What's up? Mic check, mic check.
You.
What up, Andre?
What up? What up? Morning.
All right. Be back. Leaves chalked. I know, man. I didn't even wanna. No. I don't even wanna talk about it. We're just talking. All right. Discipline. I guess we are back on the old music, guys. Unfortunately. Oh, wrong screen. Boom. Browser. I guess we're back on the old my hair grew longer now. Hey. I think we're back on the old music now, guys. Before but you know what's crazy part? The crazy part is that I was gonna switch over to this music anyways, so I can start in June 1st, so it's fine. It's all goody. It's all goody. Let's see, what's the name of that Drake song playing before? It's leaked. It's not actually out yet, but since I have a contract with Drake, he sends me all his unreleased stuff. I have his album ready to be played on stream one day. Trades taken. The font got up. There's the font. There's the font. Too late now. Now I gotta just do the whole thing again. I'll do this another day. I think it's lazy to do that right now. All right. So what do you have today? You have. I'm going to take that trade taken though. 3 break even. Perfect. All right. Looks like we are. Wow, the day kind of came up yesterday. I was actually expecting to break the highs and continue up, but it came up, didn't break the highs, and started to flip bearish. So, I mean, the day time are still bearish. We're starting to break the lows here too. So, those aren't a bad idea today at all. But the weekly is still bullish. Keep that in mind though. At any given point this week, the weekly kind of could still flip bullish to continue up. as it has no top wick on the current candle, right? Daily on GJ again, breaking those lows. 4 hour is bearish as well. Everything's kind of bearish. I think people are looking for sells below here now. People are probably looking for sells below here as you break below that zone. That's a pretty decent support level you had. I think a closure below would be ideal. I have about 23 minutes left in this hourly candle for a closure. 30-minute count, however, did close below. We actually might get a starter play going down if we actually close bullish here in 20 minutes. But yeah, I mean 15 is bearish as well. Everything kind of looks good here. Obviously for me, there's not really entries for me yet. I think I'm just gonna wait for maybe this hourly candle will close in about 20 minutes here, and then execute on sells coming down towards the next level support. Looking left, it looks like it's gonna be somewhere around here per day. The only thing I'm skeptical about is just the daily time frame. That's it. Has no top wick to it. Price came up, didn't break the highs, gave us a decent wick, and then flipped back bearish. Now it's starting to break the lows. That's the only thing I'm skeptical about. Other than that, not as bad. Gold on the other hand, let's take a look at gold real quick. Gold looking like we are close bullish yesterday. Came up today already. Tapped that resistance there, started to reject it. Now it's bearish. So I believe, wow, I mean, I'm bullish but we're bearish. Can't do much. I think I'm looking for buys today though. I think I'm looking for buys if we were to potentially, let's see, you have like a support right here. I'm not sure if you guys see it right here. Prices reject that level many times. If we were able to respect that support and then potentially come up to break above this level again, I'll look for buys going up above 1908, going up to fill this range, which is decent, to 1910, maybe even 1911. Not bad. 30-pip range going up. But I'll probably try to avoid this range. I'll look for buys above here. That's all that is. Simple day. The reason I'm not looking for sells is just because I'm heavily bullish on by using the weekly time frame and day time frame. I'm not really looking for sells unless we maybe break below here. Below your 1903, I may look for sells. But in this area right here, I'm just gonna avoid probably. No trade range for me. No trade range for me. This is a trade range for me. This is a trade range for me. Alright, I'm avoiding that mess though. Look how messy it looks in this box. Looks chalked, right? You don't want to be chalked, especially on, June 1st. How you guys doing today? What up, DD? What up, Mars.com?
What up? Good morning. Good morning. How about the Maple Leafs?
I hate them. I'm not watching hockey next year. I told him I'm not watching hockey next year. I literally gave up. Dude, the last time we won a series was 2003.
Damn.
I was 3 years old. Now I'm 21 and we still haven't won a series. Down bad.
I thought that was the second round, or you had a bye.
We never had a second round win since 2003. Second round win, man.
That's a long time.
So bad. Thankfully though, I came to yesterday's game not having high hopes anyway, so I'm like,
Damn, Canadians were in 4th place.
Yeah,
in the North.
We had the odds, the highest odds, one of the highest odds to win a cup, to win the whole thing.
How did the Canadians even make the playoffs? How does that work?
I forgot what happened. I think some team in the West tied or something. I'm not sure.
Damn.
Yo, Andre, I was gonna ask. What time's your client today?
10:30.
I'll let you know before 9. I think maybe we can do it today instead. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, I'll
What you got? You got plans? What you doing?
yeah, I'm gonna be out tomorrow still.
Okay.
But
You going to get sushi?
I don't know.
Mm.
I don't know what I'm getting.
Okay.
What's up? What are you looking at in charts? Yeah.
Nice way to divert the conversation.
What are you looking for today, Andre?
Looking for gold buys. I don't know, I liked what you did with that dirty little range from 1908 to 1903. I'll probably look to stay out of there. Potentially looking for buys above 1908.16.
Mm-hmm.
Back to test 1911.59 on gold, and hopefully that daily candle will flip back bullish on gold and continue to push up. Not really looking to take sells, especially because that previous 1 hour closed no bottom wick.
Mm-hmm.
4 hours looking to break the previous 4 hour lows for a celery play, but it's kind of at that strong support. So I think the cleanest sells are below 1903, which is approaching that previous daily low.
I think that's clean. How do I feel about GJ though? Look at GJ. It has no top wick this week. Daytime frame first candle doesn't have a top wick. It came up, didn't break the highs. We're in a sticky situation here.
I think it's just gonna close back in the range.
I mean, that'll be good.
Yeah, I don't know.
That'll be
I
good.
mean, I like fake out buys, but because there's no top wick on the weekly. But I don't know. Everything's bullish. I mean, bearish.
Well, if you draw a
You're a
fib,
pretty good runner.
the 38.2 retracement. I think it is a 38.2.
It is a sticky situation.
I
It's
think
both
buys are
ways I'm
ahead.
skeptical.
What are you looking for then? Above here? For buys?
I'm not gonna lie. I just woke up, so I haven't really thought about it.
You need to wipe the sleep out of your eyes, bro. You look tired. You look like you were cozy 5 minutes ago.
I was cozy. 6:26. I was like, damn, I gotta wake up, huh? Here I am. I would wait for the 1 hour to close on GJ. See what it looks like. And maybe if the next 1 hour breaks the highs and we get like a bullish confirmation above that minor resistance, that's where I would take my buys above 155.495. I think that's my buys.
I think it may be one of those days where you can, one of those very few days that you can have both biased the same day, just in different ranges.
Yeah. So yeah, it's like a very small, like 10 pip no trade range for me, but kind of just want to see how this next hour plays out.
Yeah, I'm looking at these buys here on GJ. Every time we have rejected this area and closed above on a 1 hour time frame, rejected to continue up, right? So I think for buys, I mean, I want to say a 15-minute closure is enough here for us to really continue up. I want to see if we can close maybe above 155.448 here on, like, you know, before the hourly candle. Oh wait, sorry, this is a 45 candle, right? Okay, we have one more 15-minute candle, so we're closing below this resistance here. If the next candle can maybe close bullish above, like this, I'm looking to take buys using a 30-minute time from stops, which is going to be down here for price to drop up towards the next range. Up here, I want to say a TP.
And at that point, the 1 hour would close bullish.
Oh yeah, it would. Yeah, 30 minutes and close. Yeah, as long as it closes above like 449, you're good.
What's your target? 155.63.
I want to say like 6'3" right there. Yeah, my height 6'3".
It's like a 20 pip target. It's nice.
How do you feel about runner targets with no top look on the weekly?
If you're really into it, that'll be a huge win. If you can anticipate that. I mean, you have this, which is 60 pips plus the runner. The weekly's aggro, right?
That's what I was just saying.
Look at the weekly.
It's the weekly's aggro plus no top wick.
180 pips for you. 580 pips for the runners.
Imagine.
Don't need to imagine. Just do it. Oh.
Ooh.
No need to imagine.
Can you show your colors on MT5?
Sir, I don't use MT5. Like, I don't look at the charts on MT5. Just use the default colors. It's not gonna really change anything.
The stream title is "The Leafs Are Cursed."
Why is that bad?
No, it's just funny.
At least our curse.
Bruins are winning it all this year. I didn't even watch hockey, but I'm still gonna go celebrate.
To watch. You look like a guy to watch hockey. Yeah, I already thought my TikTok would do well yesterday. That was a decent one. It actually wasn't bad. I hit a K on it.
That's good.
Yeah. Good example of turning scalp entries into swing entries and what goes into making that happen. I agree. Start with a small time frame. You have a mindset of taking a scalp trade. You would then eventually turn into a swing trade as the high time frame starts to play out with the small time frame as well.
Someone asked me yesterday, like why would you look at the higher time frame if the the smaller time frames are enough for you to get entries, which is like technically true, but for the few reasons like getting your bias, it also is for that reason. Like you could get those long-term entries, maybe turn them into swings, and like I know that's how Don has gotten like those crazy runner positions by knowing what's going on like the daily time frame.
Yeah, the more the merrier. I think what people don't understand is that it takes, even though we're taking a trip for like 10-15 minutes on average or less, you need to use a higher time frame as well. Like, why would you want to leave that out of your analysis when it's there for you to take advantage of? Makes no sense. Yeah. I feel like a lot of people had a tough month in May. Or, they didn't have the greatest month because there wasn't much. Or for me at least, there wasn't much. And maybe they've changed their plan or whatever, changed their method. I've seen people message me that like, yo, Don, April has been a blessing for me, but in May I've been getting break evens after break evens. I'm starting to rethink, reevaluate my plan and trading. And it's like, what did you do in April that you didn't do in May? And he's like, nothing. But there you go. Long-term game. You have months like May all the time. The issue comes though, or the problem comes when you force positions or force things to happen that don't make any sense. That's gonna mess you up the next month as well. So a tough month, yeah. Wasn't the best month by me. It wasn't the best performance. I should do in April. Or in May. Andre, I didn't ask you.
I had probably like a fourth of the percentage of gain that I had in the month of April. It was like really, 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 really slow. But I went through, I don't know, it was like yesterday, I think yesterday because it was the holiday. I went through and I just did the exact same thing. I took the exact same trades. I had like I had 2 weeks where I had like a rough start to the week. I had like a 23 pip loss on like a Monday or a Tuesday on gold. And then I had another week where I had like a 26 or a 27 pip loss on gold. But I just did the same thing. I just took the same setups and then slowly recovered from those losses, and then had like a 2% win on one of the weeks, and then like a 3% win on the other week from those two losses. And then the other 2 weeks were like just kind of average weeks for me. So it was a lot slower than the month of April. But I think the reason that I was profitable by the end of the month and every week, except for 1 week I was break even, was due to just doing the same thing, not expecting to have some crazy, thousands and thousands of dollars in profit when it was slow, and I had to recover early in the week from some like larger losses. Like normally I feel like I don't take like a 26 pip loss on gold.
We're just in a super rangy month on mid. No trade would be on their peak performance in those market conditions. Yeah. Wait, we came out strong though. So came up on top for May, right? Who here had a losing month in May though? You know why April was the best month? Because we avoided we actually avoided every single fake out in April. I'm not sure if you have to go back and watch April's clips. April was like every day analysis was just on point to the T. We didn't change our plan, we didn't change our game plan, and we just stuck with the same shit every day. And we did that for May too. But May was just rangy. Like I took 3 trades last week. That's how bad it was. 3 trades the whole entire week. Man, I took one yesterday.
What will stops look like for you on GJ that are too big? You'll take anything under 20 pips stop loss or what?
Well, these are fine here. Yeah, as long as a 1-to-1, I'll say fine.
What's that range? 17, 18 pips?
17 pips for a 40 pip stop loss here. Yeah, we're tracing there, we should be good. I think even if we don't get the full TP, we'll probably get like this range minimum. This 10 pip range here, close half, and then I just close full ash. I don't know, but yeah, who knows? Runners for the week. What if I attempt runners for the week and we survive it?
Question for you.
Yo.
What if the hourly closes like somewhat doji, but the 30 minutes still closes bullish? That holds you out of taking the trade or no?
No, just because we were gonna close bullish like above this resistance or support, respecting that support level, I expect this to be a rejection for price to continue up.
Makes sense for sure. Good answer.
We haven't really closed below yet, right? And look left there, rejected, closed bullish, came up. Like we're in the range though, so. Yeah. Got a fake out here too on a 30-minute time frame going the other way. My chart's open on my phone. Oh, it is. That's why. It makes sense. Can you check the chart? Well, it was okay. I feel like I played it fine. I don't know. Can you check it out? Sure. So, where is it? Press the stream. Entered at 1903.08 as the candle closed below on a 15-minute. Closed full at 10 pips. What was wrong with this trade? Just gold, right? Looking left, I wasn't the cleanest range, but I mean, you still managed to get 10 pips on this trade using a 1-to-1 RR. It's not bad. You entered as a close below. That's a good entry. It closed below the support here. The only thing I would have stayed of was this. This is just kind of rangy for me, but other than that, it's a good trade. Stops made sense. TP made sense.
Okay, GJ.
We could retrace a little bit. Close out 5 or 4-5-3. That'd be perfect.
Marco's gonna take these buys.
I'm considering.
What's holding you out?
The fact that I'm tired.
What time you sleep? I slept at 1, man. I tried to sleep at 10. Again,
I slept like 7 hours. I don't know. I was just out today.
Your eyes look all like puffy.
Yeah, I was at this desk for like 12 hours yesterday. My eyeballs hurt. There's that minor resistance. Yeah, I banged it out. About 10 hours of work, but it is done.
Yeah, send me a little copy if you want, like a little proofread.
I do want that. That is something I would want.
I'm just gonna send it to Malho to read. He's not gonna proofread that. He's not gonna send it. He's not gonna proofread that.
Even though English is her third language, she's a lot smarter grammatically than I am. So yeah, she.
What's her second?
Her second language is French. First language is Spanish. Yeah. Find a woman that's way smarter than you, gentlemen. I'll bring you places.
My girl knows 3 languages, and I barely know one.
Yeah, right. She's always making like grammatical corrections on my shit, and it's like
I'm working on
third
English still.
Yeah.
There's a minor resistance at 568 that I'm looking at. Looking left, the first time it bounced off that support, it came up to 568 and then rejected back down to 400. So I think that's like my first real target.
Stops to break even
right
there.
there. It stops to break even probably at like 5.4 because that was where the first candle closed, and then 568 is where I would close full, or not close full, close half.
Looking the way we're about to close right now, that'd be 10 pips. That little resistance you just said.
Yeah.
Now you got the hourly closing kind of doji potentially. That's the only thing I was worried about, is that hourly.
Yeah.
You also got the bottom of that hourly wick at 155.283, which is...
It looks like the 1 hour is going to close bearish if it keeps like this.
Yeah.
Alternative entries would be on the flip of the 4 hour.
Alternative entries. Okay. Who you texting, Don?
This girl.
No, I'm looking at a video. How does green screen or screen share on TikTok live? I'm trying to go live on TikTok at the same time. Come on, man. No, bro, I'm so pissed off that I can't stream TikTok. I don't have a code. I'm gonna DM them and get one, but I don't know, man. By the looks of it, you gotta be like top tier. Yeah, a code for that.
They have a bunch of stupid features that I
And
want.
no
that
one
you can't
does it
get.
too.
Yeah. There's like a playlist feature
Mm-hmm.
too that you can like organize your talks by like library. So like if you do series, it'll come up at the top of your profile. They can just watch it in order, but you only get it. They don't tell you how many followers you need. It's just like an exclusive feature. Like that's all BS. Don, how do you feel about this 1 hour now?
Oof. Looks like we're gonna close bearish, rejecting that support. I mean, we're still closing above, but I ideally want a closure above like 450. So we don't have that in this case. We're gonna stay out.
It looks like the 1 hour is gonna close below support now.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Look at that traffic to the left. It's quite clean.
It's quite clean, intimate.
Very clean.
Wow, I really can't go live on TikTok. I don't know what to do. How do you go live? You just angle it like this?
I have a tripod. You got this guy? And I put it on.
I have an idea.
I face it towards my I either face it towards my charts or I'll face it like to the side and they could just watch me do stuff. Depends on the stream. Or I'll face it towards my whiteboard if it's like a Q&A.
Yeah, it's not bad. I need a body cam.
Bro, did you ever see that guy that did the voice to chat with the body cam and then someone in the voice to chats like put like a bomb detonation warning and he got arrested for like years. He got years in prison.
We got GJ was right above it. Huh?
Yeah, closed above.
I'm looking good. Be cautious. I love that.
You gonna wait for a decent bottom wick and then enter on the flip or no?
I'm not entering here. I want a closure above 440. And unfortunately we don't have that. Why, are you really looking into here?
No.
Just because the hourly close, I mean, it's so close to rejecting that support. I wanted it to close above here though.
I think the wick fill is like what, 78 pips? Yeah, 7 pips here. And then that first little resistance we see at 155, 511 would be 11 pips, 12 pips, so close full there. Didi with the chart. Let's see it.
Yeah, I think if we break the previous 15-minute high, it should be a decent trade.
Seller play, 15 close bearish.
I was
up
looking
here?
at that. It would be the 30-minute flipping, 15-minute seller play. 30-minute would be breaking the highs, I think.
Yeah.
And you could argue if it, in my opinion, if it breaks the 30-minute low, then the sell for me is also valid.
Ah, I see what you're saying. 30-minute a seller play coming down. That makes more sense. I see.
Yeah. If the 1 hour closed a bit further below, I would have probably attempted sells there. If we were to break below there.
Just because if you look at the size of the previous 4 hour, in my opinion, we are still decently bearish.
Yeah. Command. I was gonna change something. Where's the command timer? Here's the 45 minutes. Commands will come every 20 minutes. And then Discord will come every 20 minutes. Yeah. Dubs in the chat. Ourselves is valid at the 15 close below. It's just the hourly. The hourly closed right above our support. Respecting the support. I'm very skeptical about that. Might get that ADM volume at ADM. I'll push price down if we're close below our next hourly candle, but yeah, other than that, doesn't look as promising to me. If we look left there, every time we have rejected support, we're ready to push up, right? That's why I'm just very skeptical about the sells.
I don't think I'm taking
Positions
Michael.
today?
No. Sells without a 4 hour closure below. I think unless it's a strong 1 hour closure below, like almost below like 300, I'll probably wait for a 4 hour. Looks like one of those too good to be true clean traffic to the left kind of things, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's because it's
Like,
bullish. That's why.
60 pips, like it's overall bullish. Like it just seems like it just looks like fake out territory. I'm definitely I'd be way more aggressive on buys here.
Yeah, so the trend's like every time it's bullish. Weekly is bullish, day is bullish. I see where you're coming from with that. I'm in the same bullish gym. I'm more confident with buys than taking sells.
Yeah, and you saw the daily break the lows. People probably got caught in those daily breaking the lows fake outs, previous daily lows, and then it has just struggled for the past however long, couple
A
hours.
lot of people got faked out on this right here.
Exactly.
Right,
So
that's all.
I'd be very, very, very cautious on sells. I don't think there's anything fundamentally that would, have that big of a change either, like that big of a drop.
I need a second phone, guys, to go live on TikTok.
I have to get my iPad set up.
Are we switching to this way you can Can you share your screen, like a live like YouTube screen on TikTok?
You probably just need a bot, or not a bot, like just implement some sort of code, and you could do it. You need to get into like deep dark Reddit, and you'll find it.
Dark web?
Not necessarily dark web, just like the depths of Reddit, like where they have all that free,
Yeah,
or like
yeah, yeah.
you go to Stack Overflow or something, probably get some code. How do you feel about this late stream today? 10 a.m. red folder on USD and 11 a.m. red folder on GBP.
I gotta work out. Maybe potentially. I don't know. Let's see.
You're your own boss. I know you want to have a 5 to 6 hour stream with me.
Man, now the least lost. I'm depressed.
It's all right. Celtics are down 3-1. I just want Marcus Smart to punch Kyrie in the mouth. I don't really care if we lose at this point.
Who doesn't even explain it? Well, five. I'm so confused. Wow, that's what it looks like. You don't have that cold, fortunately. TradingView on iPad isn't bad. I tried it. Yeah, it's not bad. TradingView or MT5 on iPad both aren't bad. If you have an iPad, you don't need a. I mean, you don't really need a PC.
I like an MT4 on the iPad if you get the app version.
MT5?
Yeah, you can just. It's just like, you know how like you're always so like just glued to your phone to drag it. Like it's just like a nice big screen.
Yeah. You can do everything.
Yeah.
I'm flipping there.
If MT5 had drawing tools, you probably wouldn't even need TradingView. If you had an iPad. I don't know about
I wonder when they'll TradingView and MT5 could make a little collab, or
I don't think the MT5 people care.
and then maybe even add some tools that are nice and modern. 2020, 2021.
Who wants MetaTrader?
But unfortunately,
Probably some boomer.
yeah. What's your advice on XEU current left price action? Can one say it rejection wicks or volume wicks, or just keep off the zone? Talking about gold. This is I've talked about it earlier already. This is how I'm staying out of this range. Like, this range is pretty chalked, pretty choppy. I'm staying out of this. Staying out of this. I'm taking sells below here. Oh, sorry. I'm taking sells below here. And I'm taking buys above here. I'm staying out of this range. That's not clean. On bullish rate day, I want buys above here going up. Sells me below here because that's a range 2 breakout. I'll be looking for. From 23rd April on the day chart, you can see Elliott wave theory are created. So correction on for a few days. Yes. The Elliott wave theory. Good old Elliott wave theory. Yeah, a bunch of M's and W's. I mean, price is bullish, right? You had ranges. We broke out the range, we continue up. We broke out this range, we continue up. We create a new range right here. We broke out the range, we continue up. We're now in a new range. If we break this above this range, we're going to continue up. Who's Elliot? I remember Elliot Wave Theory. I remember that. That was like I first started. That was like probably like from that. Probably one of the only things that I didn't really look much into. But I've definitely like was in the same boat of using it. It's like A, B, C, D, and then it's like a bunch of waves. It's literally just market structure.
Never
Basically.
did it.
Like it's like this. Oh. Oh, come down. Break that. This is gonna come down. Right? That's all that is. Right here. That's all that is. Form resistance.
What was harmonics? What's that?
Harmonics is an indicator that shows you patterns. It's like they're measuring the angles of a triangle, and it would equal up to, or an angle, whatever, it'll equal up to whatever percentage. If that percentage is on par with the bias, then buy, or that's a sell. It's literally an indicator. Yeah. It's a manual indicator though, unless you have the harmonic scanner, which is an IML thing. It scans it for you. You don't gotta do it by yourself.
Damn, that's high speed.
Yeah, man. Worth of 250. Or no, that's like 350 a month now.
Inflation.
It's actually such good marketing. Every year they have like an event just randomly to hype everyone up and then get signups. They do the same thing every year. This year they had the baby and Cola Ray pop up. Hype. Cola Ray talking about financial freedom. The baby talking about financial freedom. Everyone there rocking Gucci shoes. Alexander McQueen's. By the way, Alexander McQueen, guys. Hold on. Like everyone there was just literally dressed the same. By the way, Alexander McQueen, guys. You see how everyone's popping it now? 2018, January 20th.
What is Alexander McQueen?
Like something, I don't know.
Fashion?
It's like a cringy brand now. Harmonics not indicators. It's made with fibs. I mean, harmonics is, I guess so. I mean, I don't know. I call it an indicator. Anything that involves like using, you know, any type of, like for example, a fib for me is an indicator. Some people wouldn't look at it as an indicator, but that's definitely an indicator for me because you're relying on something, a tool, to get your entries in.
Fibs is 100% an indicator.
The harmonic scanners is an indicator as well. What is this then?
There's price action and there's indicators. That's it. If it's not support resistance, it's an indicator.
Like, this is an indicator. This is definitely an indicator. That's harmonics. Look at this. Cipher, yeah, for sure. Star play could go somewhere here too. Shark.
Yo, I got you a new soundbite. You got to get the My Eyes guy from SpongeBob. So anytime someone has indicators, you just play the My Eyes.
Oh, really?
So funny.
Oh, we
That's a good
remember
idea,
we
Marcos.
might get those buys there. Oh wait, 15
Or if it's like a
close there.
messy chart. Yeah, we are. It looks good right now.
Yeah.
You just flipped.
It's my close there. We can close above, then we're not gonna close above. Wow, they were gonna close above there. I was looking at this. We were able to close above this resistance. Unfortunately, we failed to. SpongeBob. What's it called? Eyes?
I don't even know what would you guys call it? Would you call that My Eyes?
SpongeBob, my eyes hurt or something.
Yeah, it's just
pop
like
up.
My Eyes, and his eyes are burning. It's so funny.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
I have the meme in my phone.
Was this SpongeBob talking about it?
Might have been Mr. Krabs or
Yeah,
No,
Mr. Krabs.
It's the fish. It's
the
no, it's neither. It's the fish. It's
The
same-
lobster,
that's
right?
One of the guys that no, there's like another. Oh no, that's plankton. But there is also a fish.
No, this
one.
guy. Who is this guy?
Oh, that's Larry the lobster.
yes.
There's the one of the guy that does my eyes. The same guy who does my leg. This guy. This guy right here. You gotta get this one.
Oh, him.
It's so funny. This is my eyes 10 hours long.
I'll do it right now. I'll do it right now.
that
I'm
one,
gonna
'cause
clip
it's like
it.
way louder.
That's funny.
Yeah, the brown fish is my leg. The my leg fish is so funny.
Hey, bro. Good morning. Check this chart out. Yeah. I think I've missed a couple charts in the channel. On. What's this? This is DJ move block breakdown and waiting for a tracing to 50%. Once you get the bias to 50%. Yeah, that's right, I guess. Not really the way I trade, but I get the idea, I guess. Using a 50 retracement, off a fib, bring it down, BP, McLaren. I mean, not my training style, right? But for some people, it will probably make sense. What is this one? Pierre, you wanna come out here? Yeah, Pierre, send charts in the Discord. I can't really review charts on Zoom on YouTube. It doesn't let me. It doesn't let me put the link in. Same. Yeah, fucked. What's your price session here? No one cares. Yeah. PA. I like that one. Leaf Village cursed? We are cursed. We're literally cursed. I don't get it. I don't get it. Actually, no, yo, Mars, this is the thing. The what's it called? Harmonics. It's over here somewhere. I don't know where it is. Right here, the ABCD. You like, you draw whatever. Boom, boom, boom. This I don't know. Like, I don't know how it works. It'll give you some type of angle, some type of degree, and what you want to do is you want to go off of. If it matches a specific number, for example, if you need 80%, you take a buy off the 80%. It's weird. I don't know. 4.80.
Shit's all made up.
Yeah, Andre. There's different ways to view the market. I mean, that could just be a different saying for a starter play. Who knows?
I completely agree, and I say it all the time. But whatever that fucking shit was made up. Sorry, guys. Say to burst your bubble.
Yeah, they have something called the Batman, the bat pattern.
Yeah, y'all
bullish
go for the
bat,
bat signal.
bearish bat.
That's one thing I don't believe in is all these fucking patterns, and they start naming it shit. Like, come on now.
You ever heard the onion? The onion is different though, because the onion is not like it's not a specific like. How do I say it? It's not. It's more of just. It happens all the time. Right? It happens all the time going with a trend.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
And like, you don't have to guess when it's gonna happen. You can't just see it happening and then you move on to your entries. You look for your entries. It's not really like something that'll give you an entry off the rip. It's like, oh, this equals that. It will give you a buy. It's a bit more different. I'm gonna play one song, guys. The song is not copyrighted. It hasn't released it. Try look at Fractal Flow on YouTube. Whack stuff too. Seems to work though, but just way too hard to implement. I don't know what that is. I never heard about that. They don't ask me about that. I just have interest. Like super trend, the TikTok lads love it. Lads. Lads. Marcos loves it.
What?
Whatever. Super trend. You ever heard of that trend? What's the super trend? Is that like a strategy thing?
I don't know. Never heard of it. Sound like they added super in front of it.
Hey Don, what do you think about this 1 hour wick fill on gold? Would you have potentially anticipated the flip? Got in on the flip there? It broke previous 4 hour lows, but the 1 hour flip at support, and then it was like a 15 salary play.
Wasn't bad. You talking about this 15 entry or the 30-minute entry?
I was talking about the flip on the 1 hour was relatively close to the 15-minute salary. Would have had like 14 pips now, close full.
I don't think I would have anticipated something on the hourly. Actually, 1 hour had no bottom wick. It closed bullish support. Yeah, I think I was really settled today, just taking buys above 1908 and just avoiding this range today. So
I like avoiding this range too. I just was seeing your thoughts on the play.
Yeah, it wasn't a bad play. I think I was. Oh yeah, my focus is on like above 1908.
Stops would have been current candle low, which were like 16 pips, and then I had a target of 1908.16, which is about 18 pips for the wick fill.
Oh, so good. GG actually might close above this range. Yeah, 5 minutes left. 9:30 candle, perfect.
8:30. 7:30.
7:30. Why I said 9:30?
I don't know.
I think I fixed my sleep schedule kinda. It was bad. Monday I slept at like 3. Yesterday I slept at 12. Like, or I tried to sleep at 10, but I slept at 12. 1. Tomorrow I should be able to sleep at 12 maybe. And the day after 11, and it should be good by next week. All it takes is staying up one night, man. That's all it does. That one night you stay up, and your whole thing's messed up after. Have you always been an intraday trader, or when you started, or were you at some point a swing trader? I was at some point a swing trader when I first started. A swing trader slash McLaren trader. All of it. If I were to go back to swing trading now, the only thing I would do differently is just look at the charts from the daily time frame. Or the high time, like 4 hour, daily, weekly. Enter positions on that instead. For example, like I'll wait for a day flipper. I use the current candle lows here and TPB wherever, looking left, clean traffic. But the same rules apply. I would never consider it a swing trader as well, just because we're using a high time frame. But I guess it has more ranges, right? So it's a bigger range. But yeah, that's probably what I'll do differently. Because how many times have you guys seen that our daily analysis is correct? Like 9% of the time, our daily analysis is always the right bias. You know, always tapping target. The only thing I'm doing that though is that your stops are pretty big. You use a smaller lot size, which will equivalent to just using a bigger lot size while scalping. So there's no point. But yeah, I used to be a swing trader, like full swing trader. My charts will look like this. Will be like this, like this. Like this, and right here I'll take a sell probably, coming down to retest this trend line and continue up. This would be my analysis probably. This is actually pretty accurate. The confluence here would be the trend line, the resistance. Oof. We may get something here. 1 hour close bearish, rejecting that support. 30 minutes and close bullish here in 2 minutes, closing above this range here. Stop loss is first count low for 10 pips. He is up here for 18 pips.
Listen to ASMR sounds with your screen off. And
Why do I have ads? Oh, I don't have ad block on this thing yet. Enter a long on GJ at 155.385.33. Nice. Nice. That was where, like 383 was like right here on a flip. A little below it. Good entry. Looking for buys above 155.500. Me too. Correct. GJ 15-minute time from staying out this range. Yes. Good eye. Good eye. Yep. Above there would be what you want. Okay, then we got this chart. GU 1500 shaking his head.
My eyes.
I think the first thing here, try to stick to one bias. Try to stick to one bias. You don't want to be having buys above here, sells below here, and after session taking a buy and a sell. You know, like you don't really have a plan. It's just more of, I don't know. I feel like having a bias, going with the trend, would avoid you from fake outs. It's something a lot of people don't really talk about. We talk about that a lot here. We stress that a lot. But yeah, I mean, you have an arrow going up above and you have an arrow going down below. I mean, I think you gotta add a lot more to your chart than just arrow up and going down, right? Anyone could just draw an arrow going up and down. 15 close below range there. No buys for me, guys. Look at that rejection. All these rejections here. I'm gonna wait for a closure. What's gold doing here? Gold close 30 minute. I'll close right below that resistance though. Yep. On this range here, pushed up obviously. Yeah, Sarah, send to Discord. I can't look at charts through here anymore. Here's that. You guys don't use the auto DJ thing? Actually, no, never mind. We can't. Forgot. Fortunately. You got a better playlist though. Yeah, music is so tracked. Lockout chart. What's up? US30 has been bullish on daily, so looking to buys. Follow trend. Perfect buys if US30 closes above 34833 for clean traffic. Looking to the left. That's a good buy. It's a good eye. As we're breaking back to that range here. Looking left, that is clean traffic in this area here. Oh wait, I'm not even on the screen. Here we go. That's not bad. Pretty good chart. Buys if we were to break back into this range here about 34883. That's pretty clean. What held you off from getting these buys though in this area here? 100 of that.
I think that was Memorial Day.
Really? That was like.
Yeah.
Is this on the 30-minute time frame? This is like this morning, right?
It's the 4-hour time frame.
Oh. Or maybe it's bigger. Whoa, that's kind of cool. Oh, Andre, so when we do the hoodies, this is how you're gonna do it right here. It's gonna be like this big. And you guys getting exposed now. Full screen.
Okay.
Kind of cool. Just want to say thanks. I'm getting a lot better at identifying fake outs since I started watching this channel. I used to get caught on the wrong side of a trade, entering impulsively all the time. No worries. It took a lot to avoid fake outs, guys. It took a lot. It wasn't easy. It wasn't just like something that I came up overnight. It took me a lot of a couple losses. Quite a few losses actually. For me to really look back and understand what went wrong in those losses. Like some losses I take, I can just say high probability trade. But some losses, especially going against the trend, I can probably figure out why I took the loss. That's what trading is. That's the passion you gotta have for trading. You always gotta find ways to get better. The moment you think you're at a high, or the moment you think you're too good, it's the GG's. You lost. Downhill from there. My eyes are burning. I sent my Discord chat. Yeah, I gotcha. Not sure this is yours though. If you can, make your YouTube name your Discord name. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, this is not a bad chart. 4 hours tapping support to the left, bearish on daily, bearish on weekly. Great sells below, maybe buys above. Not sure. Depends on control FX opinion. My buys will be above there. Yeah, looking for buys above there. But yeah, sells below are a great idea too. If we were to break below that range there with the daily bearish trend, I guess. The only reason why I'm looking for buys today is just because the weekly and daytime. The weekly is bullish though. It has no top wick.
Opinion.
my opinion.
That's funny. He's honest.
Gold buys. You can't really get buys in this range here. I mean, you have like a 7-pip range going up, but I think above here is what you want. I think the majority of this range has been missed already. I think the only buys you can maybe have is above here going up towards 1910, above 1908. Looking for buys above 1908. Yep. 1908.277.
Would you be worried about that fake out that happened to the left? It closed above 1908.2 whatever, and still came down on the 15-minute of gold.
I think I marked this up on a 3-minute time frame. I'll probably wait for a third closure. A 15 closure would be above that fake out though, like you said, yeah, above 1908.
Yeah, I just noticed that every time we close above that 1908.465 area, it comes up to at least 1910.200. There's one there, and there's another one to the left that still comes up to 1908.200. I mean 1910.200.
Mm-hmm.
That's about 15, 20 pip range.
Up here going up, yeah. If this alley on gold GJ closes above like this, that'll be perfect. No 1 hour time frame. I'll execute a buy in the hourly time frame using my current hour stops for 10 pips and a TP of like 17 pips or 1-to-1 maybe. That'd be perfect.
Marcos, you're looking at about a 20 pip stop on the 15 closing above on gold, above that 1908.47 fake out. You looking to take that position with 20 pip stops or no?
Probably just because of the longer target at 1911.66.
It's good RR. Makes sense. Take a 30 pip target.
Mm.
DD, so you're in buys here?
No, not yet. Oh, you're talking about lock?
I think DD says he's in buys. Go buys.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah, I'm in the bias.
You on a break of the highs? Or the flip?
Yeah, when it broke the 15. Exactly.
What's your TP? 1910, I guess?
Even if you look on the 15-minute, those wicks. Oh no, it's on the 5-minute actually. It's like 1909,500.
Oh, okay. I gotcha. Right here.
Even a bit lower, I'm already at like 5 pips, or whenever it's 10 pips.
Will you consider moving stops to break even at this resistance?
I have a small stop loss like under the last 5-minute, so it's only like 8 pips, whatever. So.
I'll be back. I got some water. Hold on.
1 hour just broke the highs on gold. Looks like gold might be Ciao Bella.
I think we're going to retrace here a little bit. So 3 minutes left in this 15. I think
Yeah.
you get maybe the entry you're looking for, but stops are going to be right
Might
around
be,
like 22 pips, like we were talking earlier.
I would definitely be hoping for like a nice bottom wick.
Yeah.
6-7 pip bottom wick.
I feel like
Retest
even
that little.
if you got like a 10 pip bottom wick, I would even
that-
consider using
absolutely.
the current candles.
Yeah,
Well,
I would consider
that
current
stops.
candle if it's 7 or 8 too. Just because
think
it's coming to that 1908. 1908 is a pretty significant at level, which would be about, in that case, 8 to 9, 7, 8, 9 pips. That's if we get a closure with a retracement
Mm-hmm.
and no top wick.
Old question.
Euros are today lock.
The lock speak.
Oh, no, it's this weekend.
Lock.
Man, you got me excited.
Lock, just unmute your mic, Lock. This guy unmutes his mic every like once a decade. I know him too in real life. IRL.
You guys hang out.
He put me on to FX. He was the guy, the dude.
You guys best friends.
Yeah.
What?
You guys best friends. Awkward silence. They're like, no, we fucking hate each other.
Other boys.
I mean, we're boys. We're not like best friends. Yeah.
That's cute. Because he's a Leafs fan.
Hi, I'm from Indonesia. What's your strategy on gold? Well, this is my strategy right here. If you watch the streams for at least 3 hours every day for the next 2 weeks, you'll probably get an idea of what my strategy is. That's free content. That's free. That's all free, right? However, want to learn a step-by-step process within a short period of time, I guess, and you don't want to sit through live streams, then the course is there. But this is the best I can do for free streams, right? I can't teach the same thing every day for a 3-hour stream. It's not enough time for one, and for two, I don't have time to do that every day. I gotta take trades, right? So that was probably the nicest answer I've given for that question in a while.
How do you feel about this 15-minute closure on gold, Don?
I think it looks pretty clean. Oh, if it goes above.
Never mind.
I think it looks really clean, not anymore.
My bad, chat. I scared it. That's my bad. It's an L. L Marcos for sure.
With the 1 hour breaking highs, if we close above, that'd be perfect. But unfortunately, we are going to close right at the resistance. Therefore, at this point, I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute candle to close because 30-minute hasn't closed above it here as well. 30-minute closure.
Fill up my water.
Pretty good. We are the gulag. I don't have social media. I closed out 30% at 10 pips. What's a good target for closing full positions? I got 155, 630 as the target. What was your entry? 30% at 10 pips. 50% at 10 pips. I'm not sure what your entry was. Unless yeah, just tell me your entry. Hearts. Okay, cool.
I know she said it earlier in the chat. I don't know where exactly she said it, but
Yeah, I remember too, but I'm not sure where. Oh, enter along on 155,383. Oh yeah, 383. Okay. Your slots are break even, right? And your target is, I got 15630 as a target. That's a good target. Yeah. Keep in mind though, like for us to really break up and continue up, we need a closure here on a 15 and 30 minute time frame. And since your entry is here at 383, which is down here, should be fine. All you gotta do is survive the new 1 hour candle low, because the new 1 hour candle low, the previous one was right here. So as long as you respect that low, we should be able to pop up on this new 1 hour candle. But again, you have to survive the lower wick being formed, and that lower wick could be anywhere. It could be here. All right, still respect the low to continue up. It might stop you at break even. But I mean, your break even, your risk free, close to half, good. You're in a very good spot. Look at that jet rejection on gold. Bond wick being formed. If you flip here, it might be Chabella, but I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour closer in about 13 minutes.
That 8 a.m. volume will be nice too on gold.
You should try. What is that? I don't know what that is. That strategy. Barack Obama had tried it. I have no idea what you're talking about.
what's wrong with people?
I don't know what that is. Is that like a strategy? Is that like food? Like I don't know. I have no idea what he's referring to. Yes. Yeah. Yo, Marcos, you know that song on TikTok? It's like SIMP.
No.
Watch the music video.
God,
That's your video. That's literally your video. Where you, it sounds like SIMP. Oh man, it's funny. On YouTube. That rejection on GJ. Oof. Sarah, looks like you might get stopped at break even here. Again, I said how we need a closure above, and we never got a closure. For everyone that took impulse entries, you will be stuck in this position now. All right, on GJ. So it's very important to wait for a closure there. Yeah, also has no bond wick too. And no bond wick in that candle as well. I think I don't think I said that. I think it was Andre who said that, right? Or Marcos when I was gone. I'm guessing. I don't think I said that yet. With no bond wick.
I think gold might be Chabella if it flips. But no entry.
Enter then.
Cap.
You think it's about to be Chabella? Okay. Take the entry.
Nah, trade what I see, not what I feel.
Ooh, that's a good one.
You got that.
I wonder where you learned that from.
I should add that to the ebook.
Okay. Call me chief editor in command.
Chief editor and command. Well, if you actually proofread it for me.
I got you. Yeah, send it over. For real, I want to read it.
You too, Don?
I'm just not gonna read it. Me, I'm talked, man.
He's like, I can't fucking read.
I can't read.
I actually can read, so send it my way.
I read enough chat every day. I read too much in chat. I'm done reading for the day.
It's not that long. It's like, I think if you take out like the cover pages and stuff, it's like 10 pages.
I read a chat out there. Mega log pog champ. You don't know vibes. What this chat started saying Omega log pog champ?
Yeah, someone said Don's Floyd Mayweather.
I don't get it. I don't get it. I really don't get it.
Floyd Mayweather can't fucking read.
Really? Oh, he has like brain damage from boxing. Oh, yo, who's watching
No,
that
he's
fight?
just stupid, bro. He just didn't
He
go to
just pays
school.
people to read for him. He doesn't need to read.
Hey, that fight on Sunday.
Bro, I'm so excited.
Who y'all got your money on?
Bro, that's a dumb question. What do you got your money on?
I'll bet my whole house on Floyd.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You'll bet your whole house and you'll get back 10 pennies. The odds on that fight are probably wild. Let's check what the odds are. It's probably like plus 3,000.
Plus,
I'm going for Austin McBroom, man.
Yeah,
Versus,
I'm going for Austin McBroom too next week.
Bryce Hall.
The odds are
Oh, gold's flipping here. Gold Korea bond wick is flipping here. It has a very high chance to continue up here.
This is what we said, Marcos. I'm staying out as well, but we were like, oh, if gold comes down and makes a 10 pip wick and then flips, the only thing that I like what you said is this previous 15-minute candle closed right at that previous 15-minute fake out.
yeah.
Like literally at the exact same level. I mean, both those candles didn't have a top wick, but I'm gonna stay out and let the hourly close, like Don said. I think that's a better move.
Yeah. If it goes Chow Bella, it goes Chow Bella. But,
Exactly. You missed it. And then, you know what? Even if it does push up a little bit in the next 7 minutes, we have this current 15 candle as our new entry that the stops shouldn't be too bad. 5 minute celery at the same time right now.
Yeah, the only reason why I stayed out was because the 15-minute closing right at that resistance. Like, I don't think that was a closure for me.
yeah, that's literally the exact same price as the only 15-minute fake out in that range. So just gonna hold off on it.
Oh, with the ADM, we should get some volume here at the New York Open. Remember, guys, yesterday was the bank holiday, right? So today when we open up, we're opening up for the first time since Friday.
I was just thinking that there's probably like an extra
There's
day worth of orders.
volume. Yep.
Yeah.
A whole lot of volume.
Mm-hmm.
So we can definitely anticipate these gold buys going up here. We use the 30-minute lows here in this case. Hopefully get a little retracement and then get like a 20 pip stop for a TP of 29 pips, 30 pips.
Damn, GJ's chalked. Imagine only trading GJ. Could never be me.
I was here for the past month.
Try 2 months. No, it's funny if I didn't pick up gold for the last like 2 days of last month, it would have been a way worse month. Yeah, we got 2 gold wins the last week of the month.
Bro, is your course worth it?
What are you supposed to say?
What kind of question is that, bro? David, come on.
No. Someone in the chat like, what are you done, face, man? What are you supposed to say to that question?
Oh my god.
You know what you're supposed to say? Enemy incoming missile.
I think the live streams are worth a lot more than some of these other courses out there in general. It's free, right?
I think if anyone got in on that gold 15-minute flip, it's a good place to move stops to break even here at 6 pips, 7 pips as we break previous candle highs, and hopefully these last 5 minutes give you that push to get you 10 pips.
5-minute closure above resistance. Clean traffic up to 1910 500 on the 5-minute.
Mm-hmm. Saw that.
It's about to flip and it's going Chabella.
I just heard someone enter position.
I did too.
Who was it?
I don't think it's a bad entry on the 5-minute. I wouldn't enter on the last 5 minutes before 8 a.m.
Ah, nice.
I learned my lesson.
I've learned quite the amount of lessons. Learned more than one lesson. I had remedial lessons after, and then I went to detention. No, that's a good trade. Objectively, it's a good trade.
Mwahaha.
Alexander Bell said it right. Hello. You go to college and get credit loans for degrees they never end up using. Paying $400 for a course that shows you a very profitable skill is you paying for your dues and for your education. Also, you get access to Zoom calls, you get access to a bunch of stuff as well.
Bro. I'm $10,000 and more than that, $14,000 in student debt.
Really?
Imagine I had $14,000 cash right now to start instead, and those extra 4 years back. Like,
I know Canadians that went to university here are in debt, like 40K in debt, 50K in debt.
Oh, that was one. Yeah, that was 1 year.
Yeah.
I had 3 years free, and on top of that, I had like grants and stuff, so it would have been more.
Well, how's it work in America? Like when you get a full-time job, you gotta pay it back, or start paying it back, or how does it work?
No, they don't care if you get a job.
Really? The moment you finish, you gotta pay.
You pay it back after 6 months, but it's different now because of COVID. I think everyone has until 2022 with no interest. The reason I haven't paid mine back is because I'm waiting to see if Biden cancels some, because I don't want to pay anything that I don't have to.
The reason why you aren't paying it back because you want to be a runner, you want to be a track star. Imagine you run away with it.
Yeah.
What's worse, running away from taxes or running away from student loans?
Taxes.
Yeah.
You gonna take your kneecaps, boy.
Look at that rejection on GJ. Look at that gold closing in 2 minutes here.
Gold's looking pretty. I'm afraid that there's not going to be a bottom wick. I'm just saying.
The new open?
On the new open with that much, if there's going to be a lot of volume.
I want my demo account to be real. 5 mil, it's mad. You're dreaming too much, man. You gotta start doing, right? You gotta start doing. Your position is perfectly fine. Whatever your position is, you're in a perfect spot. You have Wi-Fi, you're on the internet, you're watching a live stream, you're trading. You don't have to have a 5 mil account. You can have a $100 account. You're in a perfect spot. You just gotta stop being, I guess, greedy.
Gotta build brick by brick.
Trying to balance university trading and my other course I take on my own is mad. I know it'll be worth, but damn, it's hard sometimes. My fun part of the day is streams. Streams are fun. I love the streams. So I'm trying to branch out to a lot more stuff other than just FX. I think a lot of people now, like I think Andre brought up yesterday, a lot of people come to the streams not even for the trades somewhere. They come here just for the vibes. College is good if it's what you want. People go to school for 4 years, degree, and hopefully make a major job. It's never guaranteed, and people come to that fact rush in the process trying to get first quick without getting any time or working. Yeah, I mean, I'm cool with college too. I'm definitely cool with college. I respect it. Not really against or anything. But yeah, that's true though. People come into FX trying to rush the process because they think school takes forever, but it's the same step, same process you gotta take. Now, it doesn't have to be 4 years. It depends on what you can learn. Oh wow, no top work on this 1 hour candle here. Wow, that's chalked. Man, have I seen a chalked candle in my life? That is a chalked candle. 50-50 of it going up here. Your stops in this case is looking like it's gonna be 25 pips for a TP of where did I have a TP at up here? 25. It's a 1-to-1, but it's no top work on this current candle closing. I'm staying out of this position. You can argue that ADM with the volume it has here, it has a chance of pushing price up. But we have no top wick, and I never enter positions with no top wicks. You guys know that. Here's about that closure, Andre and Marcos.
I'm staying out.
Yeah.
What's up, Daniel?
100% staying out.
I think if it was like only the 15-minute that had no top wick, but like the 1 hour had a top wick, for example,
Be
it'd
fine.
different. But every like the 1 hour, 30-minute, 50 all has no top wick. Yeah.
Would have been a perfect buy.
Potentially anticipate these GJ sells here. Wait for this hourly to maybe retest that 15537,
Yeah,
and then
that's
flip
not
and
bad.
get these sells in.
Yep. 1 hour close below the range. Once you reflip bearish here, stops are 19 pips off the hourly. Off 30 minutes as well. Off the 50. Yeah, same stop loss you have here. Let's use the current candles for a TP of like 49 pips.
Dude, this beat is fire.
Excuse me.
You think there'll be FX trading in Mars? Ask Mars Trading. He's on a wave already. He's already doing that.
No shot. I'm FX trading so that I go to Mars. I don't want to FX trade on Mars, man. I want to be there and already be set for life. You feel me?
Did you take gold buys? Don't ask me I took gold buys. I clear said I didn't. I gave like
Nah,
a
they probably just clicked on the stream to see if you could give a signal.
Oh yeah, probably.
For 5K.
No, I didn't take gold buys, Mohammed. I did not. Why? There's no top wick, no hourly candle. Would I have entered if there's a top wick? Yes, I would have. What would have been my stops? The current count appears kind of low. What we've been at TP? The next resistance, which is up here. If it were to have a top wick. All right. How big is the top wick on GJ right now for the bottom wick? Pips, 10 pips.
I'm interested in current candle stops.
Dating between both of those two. I think what I'll do is I'll enter a position for the convert the lows. Close half if we're to break the highs. As I have original stop loss up here. 19 pips. Here's kind of highs.
Say what else having a tough time hearing Don, or is it just me?
Yeah, you're cutting.
Hello?
Say that again?
So what I'm probably gonna do here is enter look for sells as you flip bearish here, and then once you break the current count highs, if we're to break current count highs, I'm going to close half my positions and have my original stop loss up here for 19 pips at the previous candle high. Not bad, right?
Right.
So stops looking like it's gonna be 9 pips, depending on stops, or 20 pips for a TP of 50 pips. Actually, it might be a little lower. Let's see. 15 has a support coming down here. Yeah, probably right here. Probably like a 1-to-1 then. Sorry, not 1-to-1. Current count lows, or current count has my stops. That gold came back, rejected. Yeah, this is a new 1 hour candle, right? This is a new 1 hour candle. So if this candle flips bearish, that's a new 1 hour candle high. Didn't expect price to break the high if it wants to drive down here. And use the current candle in this case.
Don, is your entry gonna be on the break of the previous made low of the 1 hour, or on the flip?
It's gonna be on the flip of the current candle. 155,
340.
320. Yeah, around there.
So like the low that it already created, not the flip.
No, because there's no point, right? It's like a pip away. So I might as well use the current candle. And we already broke those lows too, right? So might as well wait for the current low for an extra.
So not on the flip.
On the flip of the current candle. So once we flip here, oh, the break of the current low.
Yes.
That's what I meant. Would you ask me?
That's when
the
you're
flip?
That's when you're gonna enter.
Yeah. The break of the current low. Okay. I thought you were asking me if I would enter on this break of low or this break of low. I'm like, wait, what? I enter on this break of low.
Yeah. No. I see where it was confusing. Makes sense.
What are your entries gonna be?
I'm interested to see how this 15-minute closes here. If this 15-minute closes bullish in 7 minutes, I would probably look for a celery play, which I believe is the same entry as yours at 155.320. Or if looks like we're getting some volume here, then I would probably enter actually just on the flip and save the 2 pips, which is like, looks like it may happen now. I'm kind of indecisive in between both, and then I would use current candle stops as stops like 6 pips, maybe be kind of aggressive with it, playing with both ideas here. You have sell stops in order?
Yep. I put sell stops here.
Nice.
I believe if you flip, this is gonna be like a quick move. I don't want to manual enter.
The 4 hour has rejected this area a couple times, but it looks pretty clean on the 4 hour to come down. It's the only thing I'm a little precautionary about. We got 15 minutes left in this 4 hour to close.
Yep, an hour left. Hopefully we can get a 15-minute start play. Be a lot better.
Yeah, I like that.
If we don't close it within the next, well, we got 5 minutes left for this panel anyways, right? So nice. This is good because this is even a bigger stop and like a decent stop. It's like 8 pips for current candles.
Didi is in Jeffrey, is it?
No, that's not Jeffrey.
Don't they kind of look dissimilar?
Jeffrey is a lot younger. Didi, how old are you?
Oh, I'm young too, don't worry. I'm 20.
You're 20?
You see, you can't be calling people old now. You don't know how old they are.
No, because Jeffrey's like 19.
No. Jeffrey's got a big ass neck tat. He ain't 19.
Of his girlfriend, of his ex-girlfriend.
Of his ex-girlfriend. Didi, have you did you just recently grab the course, or have you been here for a minute, just recently jumped on Zooms, or?
I grabbed the course recently, but I've been watching on YouTube for a while.
Like, was your name Didi on the YouTube side or no?
Andrea.
Okay. What's
this
up,
is
brother?
Andrea.
Andrea what?
Yeah.
He's in the. You were in the Discord.
Andrea.
Yeah, exactly.
You ever
I saw
got banned
helping people
before?
out.
Sorry?
Oh, we
You,
didn't get-
you ever got banned before on YouTube? On our YouTube? You ever got timed
No,
out by
no.
Andre?
No.
Nah. He's good people. He's been here for a minute.
No, yeah, he's good people. He helps out in the Discord.
I'm just playing.
Didi, where you from, bro?
Italy.
Oh, Italy?
Yeah.
Nice. That's
Ciao
cool.
bella, ciao bella.
I live in Switzerland, but right now I'm in the UK.
Okay, cool.
I'm,
I was
just
gonna
going,
say you
you know.
sound a little bit like you have some UK in you. Like your accent's a little all over the place.
I went to like an international school, so
Oh,
American,
okay.
British, everyone.
Nice, yeah. That's the way my wife is actually. She did the same thing. I feel like that's kind of common. The British school,
Yeah, exactly.
the international joint.
I actually go to university in Montreal, so normally I'm in Canada.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Don's distant neighbor.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Well, Montreal,
Canada?
baby. Up the
Canada?
Canadians.
I hate Montreal. We lost yesterday. Can't believe it.
Oh.
Believe it.
I'm actually surprised at the lack of volume. I think 9:30 will be the jump if we don't get it before then.
I get it right here.
Yeah.
Let's flip. Potentially.
9:30 is gonna be the gold move, I presume, because like we said, we have that extra day of orders just loading up over the weekend.
Guys, I'm gonna delete this sell stop right here. I'm gonna wait for this 15 close for a 15-minute start play. Same idea, same trade. We have 2 minutes left. Might as well wait for a 15-minute start play in this case. The price will continue down. Ooh, a minute. Yeah, hopefully we can close bullish here. I want a bullish closure on the 15.
Don, isn't it the exact same entry? Like same
Yeah,
price?
yeah,
155?
same price.
Are you gonna just re-add a new sell stop now or no?
The thing about this 15-minute start play is that stops gonna be a bit smaller. I might just use the current like previous count stops. You know, having the same stops here for 8 pips. What's the question?
Your entry that you just deleted on the sell stop.
Yeah.
Aren't you just gonna like re-type it in right now?
Yeah,
'Cause
yeah,
it's the same.
yeah. Yeah, because it's literally the same entry. Nothing really changed. I just want to see if we can close bullish here to re-enter it.
No, I feel you. Like if we would have closed like weak bearish on the 15-minute, it would have been a different scenario.
Yeah, yeah. More of an impulse.
I feel you. That makes sense.
Yeah, not bad.
Speaking of, it's about to happen.
No. I think it's still fine though using the 1 hour stops. Flip. But again, 15. 30 seconds. Which is TP? 155, 140. This range right here. 20 pips. 23 pips. You ever run a Shia tracks? We need some new sounds, guys. Oh, nice. We might get it. Nice.
It's all right. That's all right. Little top wick. Okay.
I got my stop stops here, guys. Stop loss for me is gonna be the current 1 hour candle highs in this case. So same sell stops, nothing has changed. Stop loss is gonna be current candle highs up here, and TP is gonna be somewhere down here for 17 pips. 9 pips stop loss. Remember you break the lows. I know. Give me a second. Yes, that's what's here too, Andre.
Going through every time frame right now. Going through the daily, going through the 4 hour, going through the 1 hour, making sure everything makes sense before I implement these sell stops. I'm doing I call that a don. That's what I noticed you do. Right before you enter a position, you go from the daily to the 4 hour to the 1 hour to the 30 to the 15 to make sure everything looks good.
I just got ADHD, man. But yeah. I'm trying.
He goes, it's not methodical. I just do it because I'm weird. Yeah.
Good news today.
It's a speech.
Yeah. At like what? 10 a.m.
11.
11 a.m.
Look at gold. This is why we stay out of gold. No top hook on the hourly.
I should delete this.
Back in the range.
Talk about that. Yep. We just broke this down. I mean, it's still valid. Didn't break the lows yet, right? But just no top wick. Looks like we're back into the range here. Now, can GJ activate or not?
We seem to be struggling here. This 1 hour keeps on flipping back and forth. What about you, Calm FX? You taking these GJ cells?
Of course. Yes, sir.
Where's my monitor? What happened to my screen? Yeah, my screen just shut off.
Oh boy.
Yo, is my mic working or not?
Yeah, I can hear you, Calm.
Alright, bet.
Yeah, we just ignored the shit out of you.
I didn't ignore you.
My PC just like.
Okay.
I'm good now. I'm good now.
Cell stop activated or no?
Mine did not get activated. Okay, Don lost.
I'm
it
good.
Here.
I'm good. I'm
You're
good.
good. You're good.
Yeah, I just put my desk to sit down mode. I guess like a wire got like
Pinched or something.
pinched or something, and my thing just. Yeah, I got scared for a second. I'm like, no, man. What did I do? Did I drop water again or something? I'm like, nah.
Did you get activated here, Don?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
I'm about to. It's like right there. Oh wait, no, I just got activated. I just got activated right here. It's activated. Yeah.
Nice. What about you, Marcos?
You have that
I'm active.
your stop loss above that hour top work.
My stop loss is the current candle high. Yes, so it's gonna be right here for like 9 pips. And then my TP is me down here for around 17 pips. The trade. Andre, I didn't ask you, so what happened? What's the plan?
What happened with what?
This position or this scenario?
I think this is a great trade.
Are you in?
How you guys? No, I didn't enter.
Oh, why not?
I'm gonna wait a second here, and looks like there's some volume here. I'm just a little precautionary this 4 hour. We rejected there a couple times, so I'm gonna wait.
I think for me, what it was is that the like 4 hours I rejected there before, but in the past, when a 4 hour rejected there, the 1 hour never closed below. In this case, the hourly was closed below, so which was the original reason why I entered the position in the first place.
Yeah.
1 hour closure. So.
How do you feel about that 15-minute salary play on gold, Andre? Would be breaking the 1 hour highs.
On the top,
Like,
like, right?
honestly, yeah, I'm gonna stay out of this entire hourly candle for gold. It's completely chalked for me. It's just something I've been doing where an hourly closes no bottom, no top. I'm looking to get in position. I'll just stay out the whole thing. Probably gonna catch gold during Don's workout as well with news. I'll anticipate a good entry with news. I think if this current 15 though on GJ comes down to break the previous lows again, then I'll enter. Don and I have been talking about it. I haven't really shared a lot, but sometimes I like to wait for the break of the celery 2 times before I enter. It's just, I'm not gonna like say I back tested it enough to know exactly that it's an extra confirmation or that it's a higher probability, but it's just something that I'm working on right now, that I wait for the celery play to, I guess, in essence, happen 2 times. The previous low to break twice. Sometimes I notice it will do this. We'll come down, we'll break lows, right? And then we'll retrace and reject. And then if this happens and we come down to break the low again for the second time, then I'll enter.
Yeah, I mean, if it breaks that lows again now, it's probably Chabala. That TP order on your MetaTrader, or do you close this position manually? I have a actually I haven't put it in yet. No, I haven't put it in yet. I'll probably put it in as we get close. I'll put it right now, to be honest. 155 142 is my TP. Currently in a 4 pip
I don't ever
drawdown.
put TPs, to be honest.
Sometimes I do. One time I didn't, and literally just it came down to my TP and just rejected it very hard. And I thought I had my TP in, but I didn't. So I came on break even. Stop loss though, I always have it in. Always. You never know what the market's, man. You really never know.
Down if this 15-minute closes in the next 6 minutes, doesn't close below that 155 340 level, will you look to manage your position at all? Like closes like weak bearish or no?
Maybe close and enter a 15-minute start play. Break the lows again. Let's see them. You're talking about if you were close bullish, right? At that support?
No, just like weak bearish.
Oh, weak
Right,
bearish.
like-
Weak bearish would be fine.
Yeah.
Because the hourly is still bearish. This trade here
Yeah,
was like heavily based off the 1 hour time frame. I'm just only looking at 15 and 30 minute just for my entries and using my stops. But the whole trade idea is just using the 1 hour stops here. Literally just close below a range and sells as you close below to continue down. Or just a simple trade. This music makes me fall asleep, guys. Not gonna lie.
I was thinking you gotta change the music. Something a little bit more energetic, perhaps.
I can't. I don't have much to play. I'm down bad.
No EDM.
Down bad. Start singing.
In this darkness night.
Yo, Don Loki has a nice voice.
The microphone.
No homo.
Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson made a song on this mic.
Here we go.
Does that make a song? Like a country song. Oh, that song's not bad.
You gonna enter here, Andre?
Yeah.
Do you save most of the money you're making, or do you spend it? What kind of question is that? Wow.
What is it? What is the question?
I save it. Right? I mean, if you make money just to spend money, all your money, then probably not a good idea, right? I mean, I'm 21, and I'm giving you that advice. Yeah, I don't know. I think you should save for much better and bigger things than just Alexander McQueen shoes and Gucci shoes. You know, just I don't know. I mean, hey, if I buy stuff too all the time, but I don't spend like 100% of my money.
He spends his money on those ugly ass Easy Slides, the little
Those are
basket weave,
so fire.
laundry basket shoes. Don, are you vaccinated?
Yeah, I'm vaccinated. Jesus. I'm vaccinated, yeah. I got vaccinated like a month ago. No, 2 weeks. Yeah, maybe a month ago. Yeah, a month ago. I'm getting my second shot in August somewhere. Don't know when. I think it's the 26th or something. So once you got that, it's demon time.
You getting that Pfizer or?
I got Pfizer.
I don't know about you, Don, but like the day after I got the first Pfizer shot, I was feeling horrible. I had aches, headaches, chills.
Did you have COVID before though?
Yeah, I did.
That's why. I'm gonna have the same feeling you're gonna have on my second shot. But the first shot, I didn't feel nothing. I was punching my arm and stuff. I was fine.
You were punching.
Yeah,
your
I
arm, is that
was.
what you just
I was
said?
trolling to my friend. I'm like, yo, this shit doesn't hurt. I was like this. I was like doing push-ups on FaceTime with him, and I was fine.
I just
But
missed this 15-minute on gold.
Got that 15 celery. Yeah, it was.
15 Solori play. Solori.
I don't think you missed much, man.
It's cold.
Oh yeah,
That's
you're right.
7.
You're right. I was just looking at it. I'm like,
You would have had a 17 pip stop loss for like a 17 pip target. I mean, I don't know.
Wait, didn't you just come down and break its own low?
No, that's not bad, right?
Oh yeah,
It's
it
a
did. It
1-to-1.
came down and break its own low, right?
Yeah. GJ did.
I'm waiting for this 15 to close on GJ before I enter. Still haven't entered yet.
Dom, would you consider closing half if the 30-minute closed bullish?
Because this is a banger. This sounds a banger. What? Sorry?
I said, would you consider closing half if the 30-minute were to close bullish?
Yes, I would. And then enter a start play on the other half of the position. If it goes bullish, I'll be down like 3 pips. Right? DJ is struggling.
Struggling.
Yes, sir. Struggling. Fighting for freedom.
Your cell stops get activated, Andre?
Nah, I sent you a message on the Zoom side. I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close. There was like 3 minutes left.
Yeah.
When we came down to break for the second time, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait for these 3 minutes to happen here before I enter.
Yeah, it looks like your 30-minute entry will be the same now. If you wait for this 30 minute to close, it's gonna be a break of the low or a 30-minute celery play, which regardless of how this 30-minute closes now.
Yeah, 30-minute stops are like 8 pips, 9 pips.
Yeah,
It's not bad at all.
same
That's what I'm
same as the current candle.
Yeah, that's the same 1 hour stops that I'm using.
Ooh, 30 closes doji. I'm gonna stay out of cells.
Would that not be don't you ignore doji though?
Yeah, but look at the previous 30-minute. I mean, it closed like just below that previous 30-minute support. So when it's just like that close, kind of tough to tell, I like to stay out. That's a decent closure though. That's not bad.
Yeah, it is. Oh, there's the top wick.
30-minute
a
has
long
closed
position.
there. If I were you guys, I would just look at the 1 hour time frame.
Andre, this is OG Forex. This isn't none of that gold heroin that you take.
Yeah.
This is
see, that's-
OG. Anyone that's been in the game, this is OG Forex trading right here. Like the fucking 2-3 hour positions.
Not for me. I don't do as well with these positions. I always have to have Don like talk me through these positions. He's always like, Dre, it's okay, relax. just look at the 1 hour, stop being
you know why?
antsy.
It's because you have so much time that you're just breaking it down so much that you're finding every obstacle possible.
Yeah.
You're like, but that wick to the left. I feel like gold, you'll get your TP before you even have a chance to think about what just happened.
Did somebody call me?
The market maker.
Did somebody call me?
Market maker, I'm gonna need you to sell GJ right now. Right at this second.
Bella at 8:34.42 seconds.
You close half? No, I'm still in. The third man can't close bearish for me still. 1 hour stand still open here. This trade is based off the 1 hour time frame. Majority of it was, so stops aren't obviously too big too. It's only a 9 pip stop. I'm still in this position there. If you're not comfortable with the 30-minute candle here, the way it closed, you can close half. 15-minute close below the range as well for me. Everything's kind of fine here for me still. Trade's still valid for me. Not really gonna close half yet. However, if this 1 hour closes bullish, then I will close half. But yeah, that's in like 27 minutes, right? We have a lot of time here. Currently in a 3 pip drawdown.
Going spin moving a little bit. 20 pips up, 20 pips down.
They're gold.
That 15 celery would have hit TP, or you would have got at least 14 pips, something like that.
13. Had that resistance, yeah. It would have been fine in that trade. Whoever got in would have been break even, worst case, right? I got cold when I first started and my girl didn't, and she sat with me the whole time and still tested negative. Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. I jumped in like short, just wondering what was the reason for your target. I see clean traffic. Yeah, I mean, I see clean traffic down towards 155, 154 too. I just put my TP here as the next support. I'm just okay with taking, getting out right here. Because my bias overall for the week is still bullish here, so I just want to have like the next minimum target. I'm not really worried about having runners or anything crazy. All right, I talked about it before. I said how I only have runners whenever we have like we're going with the day time frame trend, or or the weekly time frame trend. In this case, we're not. So this is be a very short position. Willing to get in, willing to get out. These counts re-breaking the lows again. Once you re-break these lows here at 301, I believe that should be good. Below 280 would be Chabella, because below there you have clean territory traffic coming down towards this next support here. Okay. We're breaking the lows here. See what happens. We came back, we broke the lows in the 1530.
But gold's chalked for a little bit.
Yeah, I don't think this is even my resistance somewhere.
Oh, how the turntables. Gold's chalked and GJ's not.
Don't say that yet. We haven't moved yet. We're barely even moved.
Say, yeah.
That's coming.
This is the third time we're breaking the lows. The third time.
Market maker heard you. Also be aware this 4 hours gonna close in 25 minutes. mean, if that closes,
Well, I know it's on a play.
I would hope to get this before the 4 hour closes. However, I will likely close if we're just chilling here in the next 25 minutes.
Remember this song? This is our winning song. Every time the song came on, this is like the
turn it up.
Yeah. This is like March vibes.
I don't know about you guys on the Zoom. Are you guys having trouble hearing the music? It's just like low, or is that just me?
Here we go.
It's kind of low.
How about now?
A little bit louder.
A little bit louder.
Oh, okay, DJ.
Rip
Do your
headphone
thing.
users.
Make the push here. You can do it.
I believe in
You
you.
do it, sweet girl.
Moving like you, Jay.
Jesus. Inga.
This is that EUR USD movement.
1 hour looks.
This is the your USD movement.
Bro, that shit is trash.
The movement king.
Yo, you get an EU swing trade, you get like 25 pips. That shit is a stock. Shit's clash.
How do you
Pierce
feel
are melting
about
down.
moving stops to this current 15 high? I feel like if we come up to break this current 15 high, then we're probably gonna push up.
I can see that. I did notice that the 15 has been respecting every high.
I may
15,
close like 50%. I think I'll close full though, since the hourly is still like right there. It's like not that far away.
Do stuff, please. Do stuff.
Please stop moving like USD Max. Let's move.
USD Max, yeah, right. It's moving like Tesla stock, like Apple stock. It just rebroke the lows and came back up again.
Where you got? Are you guys at entry right now? Where are you at?
Entry.
Yeah, entry.
Oh, you're in, Marcos? I didn't know you were in.
Yeah, I'm in profit. Yeah, I've been in for a while.
I'm like
I
one
never
pip in
deleted
profit.
them earlier.
Yeah, I'm like
had these sell stops for
$70
so
in the
long.
profit right now.
Matt,
That's
plus,
funny. Ask me, you're funny. Yeah, GJ hasn't gotten a message yet. I'll give him the message.
There we go. There.
Oh, wait.
Goddamn.
It's about damn time. Now we have that wick to the left. That's the last obstacle.
Market maker wasn't lying.
Stops.
It just broke 4 hour, or it's trying to break 4 hour lows as we speak. So that's if we break 4 hour
Oh,
lows,
this is
we should
Chow
be
Bella. Coming close to Chow Bella territory here. Right
good.
there
Just
is
broke 4
Chow
hour
Bella.
lows. I'm up 4 pips. I think I need one more.
Oh.
All right.
Oh.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't do math. How many pips is that?
That's like 3 pips, bro. That's like spreads.
Right now.
Spreads. That's like 1 pip and a half.
Yeah,
2 pips.
I need one more break of the lows.
Here it goes. That song seemed to work.
I'm moving my
Thank you, got the
stops to
message.
current candle.
Oh, here it goes. Ooh.
We have stops to break even.
Moving my stops to break even, guys. Making this a risk-free trade.
All right,
Chow Bella.
Go.
Now it's time for Chow Bella.
Go GJ, go GJ, go. Go GJ, go.
Jimmy, where did
It's
it?
like GJ's the little kid at the party who just wants to dance in the middle of the circle.
Go to Marcus. Go to Marcus.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Off the break even here, guys.
Close. We need another 5 pips. That was called patience right there.
I'm not gonna lie, I was about to close it like right before it dropped.
Yo, have you heard?
Yeah,
the
I
song
was thinking
Patience?
about fucking closing like about like
I'm
half.
like, bro, it's tapping this support so much. I'm like, yo, this just a tap one more time and then go the other way.
The beginning of that 30-minute I was like, ooh.
Yeah, if we survive here and break the lows, then we'll be good. I was thinking that too, but the 15-minute was respecting all of the highs. It never broke highs on any of the 15-minute candles in that trade,
Yeah,
so that's
like-
why I didn't do anything.
I got stopped.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah, I got stopped.
Break even.
Break
Now I wait for-
even trade here, guys.
Now I wait for the 4 hour.
Yes. Now let's look at it. The 50 is flipping bullish here. This thing came down what? 6 pips, right? Where it tapped that minor support there, I guess. It tapped. Yeah, I think another entry for me would probably be again, or 30-minute closure below this range or something. But was kind of chalked. I wait for our next hourly candle. Break even trade. Another day, another break even trade. What can you do?
That's laugh.
DJ sells. Now, it doesn't mean the trade isn't valid anymore. It's still valid. It's just that in this situation, from where we got in on, this where it makes sense. Not be break even, right? You wouldn't expect to kind of flip bullish again if it were to drive down here. You would just expect that I want to push here on that current count low coming down. Now, when do you break even? Probably usually at the next support, next minor support we have. In this case, like we got to around this area, we'll start to break even here. I think so. It's kind of really flip bearish or bullish if you want to drive down, right? For now, everyone in the Zoom call is like, yeah, break. This is where we go break even at. We just know.
Group effort.
Good trade.
When we all have $1 million accounts and we're using 100 lots, all of us would probably move the market together.
Bro, it takes 1,000 lots to move like gold from 1908 to 1908-01.
That's what I'm thinking though.
You know that, right?
If we're in
No,
Zoom,
man, it takes like a billion lots. It's not
Nah,
1,000.
bro.
1,000's way too little.
Nah, I'm telling you, bro. If we each use 100 lot and there's like 20 to 30 people in the Zoom, we can move the market 10 pips. 10 pips. Imagine just like 3,000 to 5,000 lots all at the exact same time. I'm just saying.
We'll be done. We'll get done up by like the club in London, bro. We finna get our account shut down like that. Like, bro, it was like a whole group in London.
The market, yeah. Wait, is that illegal? Yeah, it is.
That's illegal, dog.
Wait a minute.
They cracked them down. It was like, yo, I can't trade no more. Cause like they did it for like years, and then one of them got caught and ratted them out.
Yeah. FBI agent. I was just kidding. You're good, baby.
Oops.
XCC enters the chat.
Snitches get stitches. There you got about 17 minutes on the 4 hour. That 4 hour, if it closes below, what do you think, Don? On GJ.
I think we should be good. The 4 count closing below.
Would you enter on the 4 hour? I know you have before.
Yeah, I was just gonna talk about that just now. Stops are like
I'm in your head.
22 pips for like 40, 50 pips here. Not bad entry. This is what I'm talking about earlier. These are swing trades I'll take. Just using the high time frames, but same method, same strategy. At this point, it's kind of tough because I want like a support to form now, because if it wasn't that candle, then like it's a new 1 hour candle that's already in the zone. If we were close below here, I guess that's like the nearest support you have in this case. It really depends on how this last 15 minute closes though.
Yeah.
It really depends. This 4 hour candle could close bullish for all we know, or doji. That's the day.
Yeah, that's chalked.
Very chalked, bro.
How are you feeling about this 9 a.m. workout?
It's Chester, right? I mean, I'm probably down to do it. Yeah. Now he's waiting for a 4 hour close. Yes. Now wait for a 4 hour close in 14 minutes here. 15 closed bearish here in this case. It closed below the range as well. I really thought that was a drop. That would have took us down towards here. That was literally a chop bella. Sometimes I gotta get the cleanest moves though. Manage versus. Also, guys, if you guys are new here, go follow up controller_FX on our Instagram page. Almost at 3K followers. Very dope. Still in GJ. I mean, yo, it makes sense for you to be still in GJ. I mean, 1 hour hasn't broken the highs yet. Like, again, the trade still makes sense here, right? But from our position that we took, it doesn't make sense. But the overall trade idea is still there. It's still the same trade idea. As long as you respect the 1 hour highs, you should be able to come down to fill that range. Come down towards 155, 130. First trade of June. Not bad. Common FX, yeah, and those cells.
Yeah.
Volume was great at one point. there's still volume here, but by the way the last 15-minute close looked very choppy. Very choppy.
Yeah, it's low-key at like that mini support, I feel like. I don't know.
Right here. A minor
Just looking
support
left,
there.
just looking left to the top of the candlestick on that 1 hour. Oh my gosh. We'll see.
I think it sells for me next would maybe be below 155,265 on the 15. There's a support there. But again, like if you miss this range here, it's not even that bad because you still have a whole different range down here below 155, 130 coming down towards 154, 810. They both aren't bad. I close those 6 though. Nice.
Jay, okay. Okay.
Lyrics got trading. Take it easy. Take it easy. How's gold gonna close there? Gonna close bearish in a 4 hour time for respecting that support. 1 hour time for gonna close like weak bullish for doji. And
15-minute salary play on gold's about to happen again.
Angel, I answered that question earlier when you asked me already about break even. You asked when do you break even? Go back to that when you asked it and I answered it. Oh, look at GJ. We're breaking the lows.
Yeehaw.
Guys, remember yesterday when we took a position on break even and then price came to hit our original stop loss after? Right? So just because it's coming down today doesn't mean you're going to say, I should have held. Right? It doesn't make sense to say I should have, would have, could have. You just follow your plan that you would normally follow. Because this shit were to go up and hit your stop loss after going break even, we're going to say, perfect. I managed risk to the T. All of a sudden, if it were to go down now and respect it, you'd be like, oh, should have held. All right, doesn't make any sense. There's a lot of emotional thinking. If you close below here in the 15, be able to come down. Oof. What's the target for this trade here? Oh, it's down here. Pushing.
Should be Chow Bella.
Yeah, let's see. I want to go straight down here towards the TP. One type 2. Yes. That messed up for closure here.
You're hopping off at 9.
I might do like a workout today instead of tomorrow. I'll see. I don't know. I think Andre gets back. Why you put that face? The reaction face. Yeah, definitely get some sun today, guys.
I feel like there's gonna be trades between 9 and 10.
Believe so?
CJ came down.
Mm-hmm.
10 pips.
All right, my entry was 17, so I think it'd be at 8 pips right now. There's a resistance there.
What it is.
I already traded 4 accounts as if they were 1 hour accounts. Yes, I also traded daily accounts as if they were 1 hour accounts as well. Bias perspective wise. There's gonna be a lot. Yo, Mark, are you doing a workout today?
Yeah, I probably won't work out with you guys, but I'll be there
Taking positions with us?
to yell at you.
Taking positions?
Yeah, I'm still trading for at least till 10.
I'm probably still training as well. I thought I'd do this workout today because I don't know if I have time tomorrow. Might be a bit busy. Busy guy, you know. Very busy guy, guys. Got stuff to do. But hey, I'm on here for a bit longer, don't worry. Like another like 5-10 minutes, so we're chilling, relaxing, right? Watch people get FOMO here.
What type of motherfucking techno beat is this, dog?
So I took a trade yesterday, guys. Break even. Took a trade today. Break even as well. Both of them were break even. Not bad. Good start to the month of May. I mean June. I think June would be a lot better than May though. I really believe so. With the way that the day count or the way that the monthly and weekly counts have closed, looks like it's gonna be a lot more promising than May. A lot more volume. Today wasn't bad. Like this is not even dead volume. This is like decent volume for the first day. Like this is more volume than we had majority of May. It's not bad at all. We dropped today 50 pips today. Definitely cleaner than May for sure. One, two, three viewers. If you guys are enjoying the stream so far, though, make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure you guys leave a like for that trade. I think it's a W. It's a W in my books. Burger is hell of a W. Yeah. If you guys are having like trouble with break-even trades and having trouble dealing with them, just, try to stick to a non-emotional plan, trading plan. Try to stick to rules that that you will stick to. Like, okay, this trade hits break-even because I'm moving my stops to break-even as we tap this, this, and this. Whatever happens after, I don't care, because long term I know that that's the higher win rate long term. But in some situations when you would now hit break even, you will say, fuck, I should have held, or shit, I should have closed. Like, that's when you put yourself into some danger, because now you're dealing with a lot of emotions, and emotions changes over time. So your emotions today could be different from it was yesterday, and the way you manage risk today could be different from the way you manage risk yesterday. Who is vacuuming their house? Whose mic is that?
Whose jet engine is that, dog?
Getting ready for takeoff. Oof. Snap your tendon in my ankle. Ugh.
I think that was me adjusting my chair. Sorry about that.
Your chair? That's how it moves?
I mean, do it, yeah. You get that?
No, that's not your chair. No. I think it's just like a fan or something in the back, or PC or something. It sounds like a if you watch
your chalked mic, bro.
No, it's not. No, it wasn't his mic. His mic was fine before this. Watch the stream, you'll hear it. It sounds like a vacuum. I don't think it's his mic. His mic was fine before. Your PC is alive. Right there. I gotta fix the motherboard. But we're on lockdown. I don't think anyone's accepting anything for that. So bad, man. Just like the Leafs, down bad. Toronto's really down bad. Down bad city this year. That's a MacBook fan for some. Might see an onion play for my GJ, especially with the new forward candle. Perhaps. I mean, that'd be great. I really believe this not done yet. Like, we may even drop all the way down towards 154 here, or 154 80, 154 900 around that range. You have another like 50 pips to go. So. Bro, Andrew, you got in that position, right? You hit break even.
Yeah, I got stopped out at break even.
When did you enter?
On the 30 minute closed. I entered at 155, 330.
Oh, in the opening? After create a top wick?
Yep.
Gold came up. 1 hour closed bullish here on gold. Okay, so Whenever close bullish on gold, 4 hour close bearish. At this point, you might as well wait for the 4 hour to break the highs at 1911, because if you break those highs, you have a very high chance to continue up on gold towards the next level of resistance, which is at 1919 for a day. So those are gold buys I'm probably interested in. Yeah, above this range here.
4 hour seller play.
Yep. Up here. Perfect. Going up to fill this range here. Daily wick fill. Also daily candle coming up to fill that range. Perfect. And then gold here, a GJ in your hand, get close below that range in a 1 hour time frame. Should continue down here. 4 hour candle, close bearish. Everything's kind of fine here. Yeah. Like a minor support right here, guys. If you guys look at this, very minor. I think below there. But
I would need a big retracement on GJ, create another create resistance or retest resistance, and then come down. Make that 4 hour top wick for me to enter on GJ.
Yeah, it's a new 4 hour candle. Definitely wait for that top wick.
Gold has already made a significant bottom wick on the 4 hour. 20 pip bottom wick already made in 2 minutes.
Guys, here's why it's so important to wait for a new forward candle, because 1530 could be breaking highs, you know, it could be breaking previous kind of highs, but 4 hour candle could still be respecting it because the 4 hour candle is a higher time frame, and top previous candle highs up here. So these are 30-minute highs, so somewhere around this area. Like the 4 hour candle could just be creating a new high. So what I like to do is I like to wait for the first 30-minute candle of that new 4 hour candle to be formed and closed to identify that as my new high for a new 4 hour candle to continue down. That's why it's so important to wait for that. This is a bank holiday. Oh, it is. Yes, it's a bank holiday. My bad. That was from yesterday, guys. Pretty decent stream today, though. Not bad. Yes, it's kind of chalk, but it was good. Where's my focus? US Bank holiday. Marco, is it posted content today or what? Where's your TikTok content at?
Yeah, I got a post tonight. I'll probably post at like 7.
You post 2 a day or 1 day?
Typically I go 1 a day. I didn't post yesterday. I was just busy.
Mm-hmm. How has everyone in the chat today been? How was your day? What was your overall performance for the day? I know the day's not over yet, but so far, how's it been? For me, 1 break-even trade. No trades in London.
I have 2 break-evens, 1 on gold, 1 on GJ.
Who said that?
Calm Effects said it.
Oh, Calm Effects. How are you, chat? How you guys been, chat? Is that the new 4-hour candle high? That's the new 4-hour candle high. Then this should be Chabella if it flips. But again, we don't know yet, right? We actually don't know yet until we actually close on the 4-hour candle. But who's there gonna wait for our next 4-hour candle to close? That's at 1 p.m. So how many accounts you blew? Oh, Angel, you're definitely new to the streams. I can tell from the questions asked earlier. I blew over probably 20 accounts probably when I first started. Keep in mind, not all the accounts have been big. So in total, probably like, I don't know, maybe 10, 15K or something like that. My mentor, you're the man, Don. Your hockey team win? No. We choked. Not much I can say. We choked. We lost. And down bad. We had all the odds, all the best players, the best team, and we just choked. How much you can do? So, I'm retiring off hockey though. I'm done watching hockey next year. If this year plays out, I'm gonna apply for a pilot license. I'm gonna use them FOREX money to get a not expensive. How much is a pilot license? You can get your pilot license before you get your driver's license, right? I lose one game to try. No, man. I'm retiring because within the past decade, literally a decade, we've never won a series. So, not bad.
I want to play devil's advocate, but doesn't that kind of make you like a bandwagon fan?
No, I've been at least I've been a Leafs fan forever. For all the pain.
Right, so you gotta stay at Leafs fan.
I'm still a Leafs fan.
regardless
I'm just not watching hockey. Like I'm not gonna be sitting down to watch like the actual games next season. Like I'm just whatever. I'll look at it, but I don't have interest. Like I'm tired. Maybe I'm even just like this now because we lost yesterday, but who knows?
I feel like it's been like kind of similar with the Bills. Like I was born a Bills fan, so I just have to watch the Bills, even though they suck and just repeatedly lose. But I can't give up on them, right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna give up on the Leafs, but we're down bad. It's so bad, Andre. Like I don't think it's as bad as the Bills. The Bills have they won a series? They made the playoffs. They made semis or
They've been
something.
in the Super Bowl like 4 times and lost every single time.
Okay, but at least they made it that far. We can't even win a series. We choke.
Yeah, we choke every time we like if we're up like 21-7 or something and it's fourth quarter, we'll just throw away those extra 2 possessions and lose. It's like clockwork.
Yeah. It's so bad. 25K for a pilot license? That's not pretty expensive actually. That's a lot of money.
Expensive.
That's a lot of money.
To do, like, are you just gonna like fly around? Like just so like do you have to buy a plane then? Or you just rent a plane? How does that work? How much is it to rent a plane? I know how much it is to go on a private jet. I was looking at doing it once. But you can do this. There's like this app that you can go on a private jet with maybe like 3, 4, 5 other people. Like you guys kind of all split the jet to like a destination. But what happens when you have your pilot license? Like if you don't own a jet, you got to rent a plane or something? How does that work?
Yeah, buy a whole plane. Let me just. Where is my? I just realized I don't have my social media stuff at the top right of my screen. What am I doing? What am I doing? I am tripping, guys. Tripping hard. I don't even think I can get it back. I don't know where I put those things at. Oh no, this ain't good. I gotta remake all those things. Damn. There might be potential. Hold on. For FX. Logo. Oh no, we're down bad, guys. I gotta remake all those things again.
What are you? You're a certified engine land pilot? What the fuck is that?
Just show real quick.
Certified engine land, single engine land instructor.
So you teach people how to fly single engine planes?
I used to, but I stopped.
How old are you?
22.
Interesante.
Yeah, it takes like a year if you do it like nonstop.
To become an instructor or just to get certified to learn?
I went from private pilot 0 time all the way up into an instructor.
So you could probably answer the question, like, what do you do then? Do you just rent planes? Like what's the point of getting?
Yeah, you can rent planes. I mean, it's just like, it's up to you. You can tow banners, you can go on tours. I mean, it's just really up to you.
How much is it to rent a plane? Like, obviously it depends on the size,
say
but
gas wise, probably about 120, 130 an hour.
A lot of money.
Which is it? Do you rent the actual plane and then you pay for the gas?
Yeah.
What's it like? Five bands to rent a plane? I would assume like something expensive.
I went through a whole school, and so I didn't. It was just all upfront costs. I think it was like 80 racks for like from 0 time.
80 bands? You paid 80 bands?
8,000.
Yeah, dude, I'm paying it off with trading. Like, that's why I'm grinding so hard in trading. Because
Holy shit.
Dude, some of my friends, because you need 1,500 hours before you can even go to like regionals, which is, just like the small flights, the small commercial flights. And dude, like, I almost got killed by a woman I was instructing, and I was like, no way. And like during all that time that happened, Kobe passed away too, and I was like, I think I'm just gonna stop flying. And I really locked into trading once COVID happened.
So what's the point of doing that? Is that like just because you want to like commercially be a pilot, or you
I wanted to be a commercial pilot, because you can get paid 60 to 80,000 like your first year after you get into the airlines.
Yeah, and then like what about like a veteran captain flyer?
Yeah, my friend's dad works at FedEx, and he's on a 2-week on, 2-week off schedule, and he's pulling close to 180, 200.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you'd be flying for like, you wouldn't necessarily be flying like people from like Florida, New York. You'd be flying like goods from like FedEx. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I wanted to do cargo just because I like that 2-week on, 2-week off schedule.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, but nowadays with COVID and everything, people aren't getting like any positions because it's so tough right now. And so I'm glad I took the year off and started trading, and I'll be able to pay it off within the next 1.5 to 2 for sure. Let's see if Don has a good month. Maybe I'll pay it off sooner.
So when you get your license, you're just gonna like scoop all of us individually. Like you'll stop and
we can go rent a little single.
That would be.
We'll do some barrel rolls.
I don't know if I'm down for that shit, but just pick me up, pick Don up, pick Marcos up, pick the boys up. We'll like go for like a stroll in the plane. That'd be pretty cool. Have you done a barrel roll?
No. I've done spin training though. You cut the engine off and you do 2-3 spins and you recover. That's sketch.
Hey.
Sounds sketch.
It's gonna start play. Alright, we gotta do this workout, bro. Right now. Before it gets too late. Andre. Alright, chat. I guess that's a wrap for today. It was a pleasure today being a host as per usual. I know you guys like these speeches too, so I'm gonna give them every stream. But hope you guys enjoy your stay today. Today was a great day. One break-even trade sells on GJ. Thanks for showing up as per usual. Thank you, mods. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you, admins. Thank you, people who joined Discord today. If you guys haven't done so yet, go join the Discord, by the way. Link is in the bio down below. Exclamation point Discord in the chat. Yeah, have a great day today. Don't overturn over leverage, and catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. All right, peace and love, and done in the chat. Done in the chat.
Yeah.
Wrong screen.
Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like an OG. They didn't want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name turn to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody.